In February 2023, a box of photographs from Loudoun County Courthouse of Virginia was disposed of by staff after Commonwealth Attorney Buta Biberaj ordered its destruction. This box of photographs was sold to the highest bidder at a surplus sale. The photographs were framed and included important details about Loudoun County Courthouse history, including figures in judges' robes. Despite the importance and accompaniment by an official plaque, Soros-funded Biberaj ordered the destruction of these photographs as well as the destruction of various wall ornaments. Loudoun County history is deep. It was home to Confederate units, including the 8th and 17th Virginia Infantries, 1st, 6th, 7th, and 11th Virginia Cavalries, as well as the Comanches, or the 35th Battalion of Virginia Cavalry, and Mosby's Rangers. The destruction of critical Loudoun County history is not only heinous, it is also unethical. These portraits are and were integral pieces of record keeping in the Commonwealth of Virginia and may have been needed for historical context or research. The now missing portraits go back to the 1800s, and there are no backup copies of many of them according to multiple sources. According to reporting by journalist Nick Minnick, as part of the inquiry from Mr. Anderson and Mr. Clemens, the county was advised that Mr. Anderson's staff believed that the photographs had been mistakenly sent to the county. This original inquiry included a supposition that the photos were inadvertently provided to the county's surplus team for sale at one of the future surplus auctions. This request caused county staff in the Department of General Services to check county records regarding any photographs that were sent for surplus or disposal from the Commonwealth Attorney's Office. These staff identified a work order dated January 31st, 2023, submitted by the Commonwealth Attorney's Office, requesting the staff to pick up, among a number of other items, one box of photos and other wall decorations for disposal. So this was done with full approval and direction by Soros-funded prosecutor Buta Biberaj. Loudoun County Administrator Hemstreet added, "Records reflect that this box, as well as the other items, were picked up on February 10th, 2023, and disposed of shortly thereafter. Staff were asked if they recall anything about this box, as almost a year had passed in the interim before anybody realized. Staff advised that the photographs were framed, so the photographs were removed and destroyed, and the frames were processed for auction. There was also an engraved plaque from the City of Falls Church to the Commonwealth Attorney's Office that staff set aside and returned to that office. The county records reflect that the documents requesting staff to pick up and dispose of had the appropriate approvals from the Office of the Commonwealth Attorney, which at the time was Buta Biberaj's office. The county does not have any documentation that indicates that the photographs in the box were of previous Commonwealth attorneys, and so they were probably of judges and other important historical figures. The destruction is a violation of the Commonwealth of Virginia Rule of Professional Conduct 3.5, which mandates impartiality and decorum of the tribunal. By selling priceless artifacts of the courthouse employee, Biberaj, influenced a customer base. In the Commonwealth of Virginia, a lawyer shall not give or lend anything of value to a judge, official, or employee of a tribunal, such as a courthouse, under circumstances which might give the appearance that the gift is made to influence official action. The sale may be seen as conducive to destruction of public property, which is a crime per the Code of Virginia 18.2-137. A lawyer shall also not engage in conduct intended to disrupt a tribunal. The very appearance of Loudoun County Courthouse is and was disrupted by Biberaj, as were its irreplaceable records. The box of photos of Loudoun County Courthouse staff may be required for future legal actions. Per Virginia Rule of Professional Conduct 3.4, a lawyer shall not obstruct another party's access to evidence or alter, destroy, or conceal a document having potential evidentiary value. A lawyer shall not counsel or assist another person to do any such act, such as her staffers. Biberaj has done just this by holding a sale on the Loudoun County Courthouse lawn of documents and other material having potential evidentiary value which may now be altered or destroyed. This argument is furthered when Biberaj failed to conduct an inventory of the box, so it might be even more valuable than we had assumed. Investigation should take place into Biberaj's potential violation of Rule of Professional Conduct 1.8 as well, whether she was conduced by her funders, like Soros and the Soros Foundation, to sell artifacts to reap the financial award personally or from a third-party buyer, that is, whether she received some sort of external bonus for destroying Virginia history. To report Biberaj for her destruction of American history, complaints can be made at the Virginia State Bar website, and a link to that website will be included in this video description.